Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. And today we are going to do an interesting activity, which is a Santa face. I hope you all are very excited with this activity. So we will do this activity together. Okay. I will show you what all material you will need for this activity. Okay. Students, for this activity, you will need one thermocol plate. This is one thermocol plate. You have to cut it in a circle shape. I will show you how you will cut it. One scrap sheet of cut it with a triangle, cut it in triangle shape. Some cotton, Fevicol, one ice cream stick, okay, and a scissor to cut, okay. Cut the thermocol sheet in this shape, okay. So everyone, students, we will do it together, okay. For this you need Fevicol. Take some Fevicol and here apply some Fevicol at the top, okay, like this. And this red scrap sheet, you will cut it in triangle shape, okay, and paste it here at the top like this, okay, and let it dry. Now turn this and apply some Fevicol on the stick and paste it here at the back, okay. You will paste the stick at the back. Now let it dry. Turn this. You will need some cotton for this. Take some cotton, apply cotton here, okay, like this. Apply some Fevicol on the rest of the white portion, okay. Then take cotton, make cotton in the shape of a beard, okay, and paste it here like this, okay. Okay, now the remaining white part you will cover it with cotton all, okay, like this. Cover it. Cover this and make some cotton balls like this, okay, and paste it in this line, okay, on this line. Oh, everyone, paste some cotton balls here like this. And for nose, you will cut one circle shape with red scrap sheet and paste it here, okay. And for the cap, you will take one cotton and paste this at the top, okay, at the top of the cap like this, everyone. And now this is your Santa face, everyone. You will make this Santa face. Students, your Santa will look like this, okay. Hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Make this Santa face at your home and upload the PDF of this face on Google Classroom. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care everyone and Stay safe and stay healthy at your homes. Okay. Bye everyone.